From Divine Sister of the Light, Natalia Alba, beloved ones, as ascending souls, we are now traversing a very important month, whose energies are key to harmonizing our 12th-dimensional DNA strands, body glands, and lymphatic, digestive, and circulatory systems. As you know, during this time we are receiving a massive influx from our central sun and other interdimensional 6th, 7th, and 8th frequencies to continue assisting us in the process of light-body reconnection and monadic integration. Our DNA is experiencing a rapid transformation as we continue embodying the solar flares received, for it is plasma that allows our DNA to shift. The focus is now on our 7th and 8th DNA strands, healing galactic wounds and retrieving the wisdom required for us to become more unified and balanced. This is a month of self-mastery, as its universal 11 number reminds us, is a time for us to work on both our inner healing journey and our planetary mission, remembering that first, we need to be whole to be able to receive the guidance, light codes, and hence precise information to be able to work in the field. Guides share the importance of working with all the previous parts of our body, for all of them are in charge of integrating, directing, and amplifying light. Being informed is key to being able to work with what obstructs the organic influx of light within our bodies. Many important factors may be impeding us from consciously embodying the light emanations received during this time. Some of them are contamination, especially chemtrails that are meant to disturb our field and DNA, genetically modified foods, as well as any other source that we ingest that can modify or control our DNA in any way or form, not having our body portals connected and cleared, and many other subtle and silent ways to interrupt the free flow of our life force. This is occurring so we cannot embrace higher levels of consciousness, and hence light, which is what previously shifts genetics and allows us to regain sovereignty through DNA retrieval and rehabilitation. Our main aim is not to rebel and fight the system, for we cannot change it or do anything to control others, and this shall not be our will. Our main task is to understand that when we awaken and inform ourselves, we have the power to start disengaging more consciously from mass manipulation, regaining full sovereignty of our bodies in all we can. Working with ourselves is what creates the shift we wish to see in the world, for we cannot control what is taking place outside of ourselves. In the end, it is our consciousness, the great shifter, as guides always share, and it is our consciousness, together with the work we do in the physical, the one with the power to transmute any lower frequency. As crystalline beings we surrender, accept what we cannot change, and embrace all as equal, for all is essential to help us evolve within this dual plane of existence. We know that our main task is to awaken and reconnect ourselves, so we can start descending the codes we came here to anchor, for our mission was never to interfere with the Divine's plan, but to support it with our unique blueprint, abilities, and mission. As crystalline beings, we know that there are different choices in this universe, and our task and intention is to respect them, focusing on our mission of being, seeding, and expanding the love that we are. Within infinite love, from NataliaAlba.com.